Hey, it's Dylan from Makita New Zealand here, and I want to introduce you to the DUH523 cordless hedge trimmer. The DUH523 hedge trimmer, it's a convenient, quiet, and it's a lightweight alternative to a petrol tool for the backyard. With no fuel handling, zero emissions, reduced maintenance, and increased reliability, this is the perfect line trimmer for your garden shed. Cordless technology means you can use this tool anywhere in the backyard, and the risk of cutting through your power cord eliminated. And probably the best benefit of a cordless hedge trimmer, lower noise levels. The DUH523 is 25% quieter than other cordless hedge trimmers on the market. Our DUH523 hedge trimmer, it has a Makita-built motor. It will deliver up to 2,700 strokes per minute, and it will run up to 120 minutes using a Makita LXT 18V 4Ah battery. That's the same battery that will slide straight into over 225 tools in our range, offering you a shed full of solutions when you need them. The DUH523, it's a perfectly sized machine for the backyard, and it runs a 520mm bar with double reciprocating blade. That way, you're cutting in both directions of your swing while you're working. Inside, the DUH523 has been built with anti-vibration structure. It's engineered with 5 cushions within the motor housing to help minimise vibration while it's in your hands. Comfort is key when you're working hard, and the rubberised soft grip provides increased comfort while on the job. Weighing in at just 3.4 kilos with the battery on the back makes the tool, the DUH523, a lightweight option and reduces operator fatigue. Simple features help the DUH523 become key to your garden shed, including a battery capacity warning system. The indicator LED on the top lights up to notify you when it's close to recharge time. Plenty of warning for smoke, eh? Or you can easily just swap the battery out for another, and away you go. The DUH523 has got safety on the job in mind. With a 2-handed operation switch, it's engineered to activate the motor only when the trigger and the top handle is engaged together. So there it is. It's the DUH523 hedge trimmer from Makita. If this is the right tool for you and you'd want to know more, head to our website www.makita.co.nz.